Ndị be anyị ekele m unu n'ụbọchị nke taa. Anyị sị na ya dịrị ndị Igbo na mma. Dịka o si dị, ihe a bụ Igbo Media ka anyị si wee na-ewetara unu ya bụ nnukwu ozi dị oke mkpa gbasara maka anụ Igbo and Igbo community and ihe debe na Nigeria. Ya bụ ife ka anyị na-ewetara unu na Igbo Media. Dịka isi wee na-esonye anyị, ọ bụ na nke a bụ ụbọchị izizi gị ị na-abịa n'ilu akwụkwọ na Igbo Media. Ekpa ka you subscribe and turn on your notification ka you miss any of our updates dịka anyị na-etikwu ya n'iru akwụkwọ kwa mgbe. Dịka o si dị, o nwere ya wetara n'ụbọchị nke taa gbasara maka ka ya bụ ife si ada and gbasara maka ka ya bụ ife si akpọtụ n'ala Igbo. Biko mma achọ ka ige ya bụ ife. Ihe bụ ihe BIAFRA Chief of Staff bụ Ngozi Orabueze kwuru n'iru akwụkwọ gbasara maka ka o si ada na Finland and gbasara maka Biafran Prime Minister Maazị Simon Ekpa. So igecha ya bụ ife idropụra ife iche n'iru akwụkwọ gbasara maka ihe bụ ife ndị a niile okwu. Alright, over to you.
And you milk our resources and ship it to people who are using those to make the life of their own people better. So the life of our people does not matter. They don't deserve the best hospitals, the best schools, the best electricity, the best internet, the best roads, the best airport in the world. You think Biafran do not deserve that? Not anymore. We deserve the best and even more. We must build the United States of Biafra. We are a free nation. We are committed to building one of the best countries in Africa and one of the best countries in the world. We are committed to respecting human rights. We are committed to making the world a better place. We are committed to building a country where there will be no room for terrorists in any of our borders, in any of our environments. That is what the United States of Biafra is committed to doing. And there's no going back on that. I call on all the international leaders, all true lovers of democracy, all true lovers of freedom to support us in this journey, which we are already winning. We need the support. We need the support to fight this terrorist state. We need the support to fight the bad leadership in Nigeria. We need the support to fight a country that kills Christians every day. Both children, both women are murdered every single day. And it's not about Biafra. All those 200 people that were killed in Benue State, did they do anything? Ask Nigeria, ask Tinubu, what did those people, those innocent children that were burned alive, what did they do? What did they do? Do they want Biafra? Do they want to be independent? Do they want to form their own country? No. But they were murdered. They were killed. So ask Tinubu, when he said that Biafra, they want freedom, they're separatists, they're doing this. Ask him, those 200 that were killed in Benue State few days ago, do they want a new country? Are they separatists? What do they need? He will not answer that question. That is where we are the people that will decide our fate. Nobody can decide that for us.
This woman in Finland.
We want to stop the killing. We want to live in a country where we are free. We want to live in a country where the terrorists are not going to be milking our natural and oil resources, shipping it to other parts of the world, collecting money, buying different houses, and why our people die. We will stop that, is a promise. We will stop that. I want to also use this opportunity to tell Biafrans that while the Nigerian terrorist state is using transnational repression to try to stop our freedom, just like they went to Kenya and took our own NNAMDI and took him back to Nigeria, they went to Finland trying to take our prime minister back to homeland. they have their agents inside our Biafra movement that are still trying so hard. They are trying so hard to stop the cabinet members of the United States of Biafra government. When they know they have failed to stop the redeclaration of the United States of Biafra in Finland, they failed. And when they know they have failed in that declaration process, they have failed in lying to Biafrans. They have failed in going to homeland to confuse some commandos then, not now, because now no, they failed woefully. When they discover they failed everywhere, but at home and abroad, the next thing they think they can do is to take the United States of Biafra government to sue them to court using the Nigerian agents that penetrated this government, Biafra Republic government in exile, to sue this new beautiful nation. And what Biafrans are telling them, you can never stop. You can never win this battle. You cannot. It's a promise.
We shall see. We shall see.
So these elements, they have sued. They've taken the United States of Biafra government to court. We are the de facto government. We are the brigade. We are the United States of Biafra government. It is a continuum. There is nothing they will do without our approval. Nothing. So those of you that they have called to sue us, people like Elias and Dabiri, who is colluding with the Nigerian government and these agents of them inside brigade. I hope the statement the Prime Minister gave you people is resonating. I hope you all got the message. I believe some of you were in Finland.
There is nothing like
that instruction he gave you. I know you all got it, right?
There is nothing like a message. All but to be a gift to anyone.
You cannot.
Oh, the message. I don't fear.
Not why some of us. And in plan, Bianco Ojuku is giving you. We welcome all of that. And you know this time that Biafra is a spirit. Biafra is a spirit. You can never win this battle.
We shall see.
So Biafrans, on that note, I can talk about Biafran all day long. But again, on that note, that is the brief of what we have on the update on our PM's case, update on our NNAMDI's case, the delegitimized governors that are trying to deceive themselves by thinking this is now the time for them to recruit innocent Biafrans to be fighting the so-called, fighting Fulani terrorists, whom Onyendo has told them long time ago. NNAMDI, our Prime Minister, have told them long time ago that these people are coming. Now they have woken up to recruit innocent Biafrans. After they were the one that brought these terrorists. But this time we will show you that game you are playing. We've already played it and stop playing it. We will get you, we will meet you at your own game. As you are killing Biafrans, locking them up in different DSS dungeons across Nigeria and across Biafra land just because they are Biafrans, and giving an order from above that anyone that was taken by DSS, any Biafran taken by DSS, when their family members go there, you refuse for their family members to see them. It was an order from above, confirmed by our Biafrans that are working with the Nigerian DSS. It was confirmed. We know you have just standing orders, but we will protect our land. We will protect our people.
Nigerian government, they can do them anything. But even not blame that now, as now that the Biafran government in exile. Oh my God.
So on that note, Fandi, I think that is all the update I have. Please let us continue to donate money. This is a donation for us to build our land.
Our new nation life program.
We must participate to build our new nation. We must be part of building our new nation. Nobody will do that for us. As Biafrans have resolved to continue the voluntary Monday sit at home until our country is fully protected, until our leader, NNAMDI, is released, until our Prime Minister is joining us next week, but more importantly, until we protect our land from the reintegrated terrorists of the Nigerian state. Biafrans have vowed to continue the voluntary Monday sit at home. And I'm telling the world, almost many part of the northern part of Nigeria have been taken over by the terrorists. Schools have been shut down for over 10 months, 11 to 1 year. No school, children are not in school in the northern part of Nigeria
in our land
because of the reintegrated terrorists that we have rehabilitated by Nigerian Defense Chief Christopher Musa.
Very stupid human being.
Most indigenes in the northern part of Nigeria, they have to pay to go to their farms. They are being taxed by the terrorists. But Tinubu is not talking about that. He is busy in the southeast and south of Nigeria, now Biafra land, where he knows that the oil they steal, that is where it comes from. He will not tell you, Bianco Ojukwu, you will not tell them that most of the schools in the northern part of Nigeria, terrorists of the Nigerian state. Biafrans have vowed to continue the voluntary Monday sit at home. And I'm telling the world, almost many part of the northern part of Nigeria have been taken over by the terrorists. Schools have been shut down for over 10 months, 11 to 1 year. No school, children are not in school in the northern part of Nigeria
in our land
because of the reintegrated terrorists that we have rehabilitated by Nigerian Defense Chief Christopher Musa.
Very stupid human being.
Most indigenes in the northern part of Nigeria, they have to pay to go to their farms. They are being taxed by the terrorists. But Tinubu is not talking about that. He is busy in the southeast and south of Nigeria, now Biafra land, where he knows that the oil they steal, that is where it comes from. He will not tell you, Bianco Ojukwu, you will not tell them that most of the schools in the northern part of Nigeria are shut down for the past 12 months. Children don't go to school. The terrorists go to